cheer louder. A warm good afternoon to one and all present over here. So respected principal ma'am and other dignitaries on the dais. And my dear all from the nursing fraternity, all the DNS, ANS and senior nursing officers and nursing officers. So today I just want to congratulate the ANA for conducting this big event. So 24/7 and I can say that throughout the year the nursing fraternity is a workforce, largest workforce, and they are working day and night and dedicatedly in the hospital. So this opportunity you have got, so I understand and I believe that all of you are having potentiality and all of you are having different talents in the sports areas also. So this is the right platform to showcase your talents. And I believe that you might have constituted some of the different teams under your team leaders for competing different sports. But today I just want to say that we all are under one banner, that is AIMS Bhubaneswar, and you all are the nursing fraternity. So my request to all the executive members and especially the ANA members to maintain strict discipline, and this is as everybody told that sports shows the team spirit and the discipline, team spirit and everything. So through sports you can learn this team spirit. Here it doesn't matter that who wins and loss and all, so it's a part of your like competitions and all. So competition like it is a different matter, but unitedly we are working for the same cause for our patients, so that should be maintained. And once again I'm wishing you all the best for the coming event, whatever the events you have planned, and for the coming nurses days, so as you have planned, and all the ANA member, president, everything they have planned. So I hope that everything will continue in a disciplined manner and in a well manner, and I encourage everybody to participate in the sports events and whatever the programs and competitions are happening. So wholeheartedly you all participate, you enjoy. So once again I'm wishing you all the best for the coming events. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am, for inspiring and encouraging words. Your dedication to nursing and your valuable guidance truly motivate all of us to serve with compassion and excellence. Thank you. Now it is my great pleasure to invite our esteemed guest of honor, the respected Dr. Asha P. Sethi, Principal, College of Nursing, to address the gathering.
Dear Mrs. Geeta Rani, the nursing superintendent, Mr. Panda, Mr. Kiran, the president of the association, Mr. Ramesh, Mrs. Manu, and our esteemed guest of this sports meet, all the nursing fraternity of AIMS Bhubaneswar. At the outset, my hearty greetings to you on this day, the tradition that you are carrying on, organizing this sports meet every year on account of the upcoming Nurses Day, which all over the world everybody will celebrate on May 12th. My congratulations to you for the initiative that you have taken, as throughout the year you are always engaged in the hospital work, patient-related activities. As Mr. Rakesh Panda said, it's the first time that he is coming to the hospital here, but it's one thing good that it is not for admission. He is working and giving you a strong security here. As he rightly said, doctor treats and nurses heal. Yes, I support that, because no treatment, no surgery alone can heal the patient, can treat the patient without a nurse's compassionate touch. Nurses are there throughout round the clock with the patient, and we can all remember the COVID pandemic where the nurses were the frontline warriors, and also in the year 2020 the WHO also said and announced the year as Year of Nurses. So we know what is the importance of nursing. And today, you have organized this sports meet. It's very rare that nurses, because of their duty schedules, the family responsibilities, and many other things, they find time out of the hospital. Because all the time they are in the hospital, patient care. Even I know sometimes they will not even read the newspaper even, because they say no time because of lot of responsibilities. But still, I'm happy. A large number of you have come out. You have taken initiative, you have taken responsibility, and you are coming to participate in this event at least once in a year. You must continue to do this throughout the year so that you may maintain yourself more fit. You are fit already, I'm not saying you are not fit, but because of your work schedule many times it doesn't, your schedule doesn't permit you to have a regular schedule of exercises. As Mrs. Kitarani already said, to maintain a true spirit during your sports meet, in the hospital we always talk about compassion, commitment. Here the more important is that your participation, the more important is your teamwork, and not only winning. I know everyone is talented. There's no one in this earth without any talent. Maybe one is good in something, another one is good in another thing. So everybody cannot win. But the team spirit and participation is more important. I wish more than 1,000, I know we have nearly 2,000 nursing officers in the hospital. I wish at least more than 1,500 nursing officers participate in one or the other sports event in the coming days. That is what to happen. My best wishes to each and every one of you and all the organizing team members for having taken lots of effort to make this day possible. My congratulations to entire team for this event, and my best wishes for you for successful sports meet of 2026. Thank you.
Thank you for inspiring insightful words. Your dedication to nursing education and your valuable guidance truly motivate all of us to grow, learn, serve, and compassion. Thank you, Ram. Now, it is my immense honor and privilege to invite our guest of honor, respected Dr. Subhranshu Udgata, our legal advisor, ANA, to enhance the sportsmanship and address the gathering.
So, I'm an advocate, but I feel privileged to be a son of a doctor's. I mean, both parents are doctors. One is a obs and gynec surgeon, and another is a homeopath. So, anyways, I wanted to rectify that because I don't deserve to be called a doctor. So that's why I told that. Now, first of all, I would like to thank the executive of ANA for giving me this opportunity to be with you and on this stage for such a beautiful event, which is the Nurses Day celebration. For that, we celebrate through sports. Now, I thank Principal Madam of Nursing College. I thank Nursing Superintendent Ma'am. I thank Panda Sir, Kiran Sir, and Ramesh Sir, and Madhu Ma'am. So, all the people who are present here, let me tell you very clearly that I am an advocate. And I became an advocate because during the COVID time, I came back to Odisha because my father, who is a doctor, as you all know, he is no longer with me now. So he suffered from a paralytic attack due to a brain stroke. So I decided that I need to come back to Odisha and spend my time with him. So during the COVID time, let me tell you, that is when I met Ramesh sir in 2021 or 22. That is when he was running around to find some solution for some of the members of the association regarding some employment issues, where some promotions or some issues were there. So that is our first meeting in the chamber of my senior, where I used to go as a student of law. That is where I got to know him, and from that day onwards we developed a bonding because of our thought to serve selflessly for the society. And that bonding, it's too windy here. Okay, let me try. I mean, is it too disturbing? So that is how I have tremendous respect towards Ramesh sir, and down the line I also got to know Manu ma'am and also the previous executives who were there of ANA. You are all lovely people. I have tremendous respect towards all the members of ANA. What you have done during COVID, hats off. Because as a son of a doctor, I know that when a doctor, a nurse leaves his or her house and comes for the duty, if somebody dies at home also, there is very nearly no chance that you will even get to know that. Because accessing mobile when you are in a OT or when you are a duty which requires you are saving the life of somebody, it is very difficult to know. I have seen that life. I have gone through that life. So I hold tremendous respect towards the nursing community, towards the doctors, towards the healthcare fraternity, because I feel that I am a member of this fraternity, because being a son of a doctor. Now, coming to my profession as a lawyer, let me tell you that I used to work in an industry called investment banking, so I have seen money like bricks in my life. So when I came back to Bhubaneswar and I decided that I need to switch an industry and work in a profession where I can actually add value to the society, and I went to my senior, the advocate from whom I learned, where I met Ramesh sir long time back. I saw he was making money in crores. So really truly that inspired me first to study law. I thought that okay, lawyers make crores of rupees, so that is a good profession to be in. But later on, I always tell my junior brothers who are here, who always support me in my work, that after COVID, during the COVID, when I started pursuing law as a subject, I realized that law, like a doctor's profession or like a healthcare fraternity's profession, it is not a profession to earn money. It is a profession through which you can do something for the society. And I realized that a little later, because let me tell you, coming from an investment banking fraternity where, as I said, we look at money like bricks. So from there to coming into a noble profession like advocacy, that required a lot of, unlearning for myself to understand that what actually the legal profession stands for. First, it impressed me because of the money, but then that is the moment I called from the Shuratnakar to Balmiki. So that transformation took some time and I learned it, and I'm really happy. And today I call myself an advocate who is voice for the voiceless. And I think for ANA, I have proved it. And so don't worry if there is somebody you feel is more powerful. As long as you are ethical, legal and moral, you will always find me standing next to you and we will always win. Thank you.
Presence today has truly added great value and prestige to this occasion. Thank you so much. Now, I request everybody to kindly rise for the national anthem. Let us stand united, show our respect to the nation.
पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल जमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा। तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाए तब जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Here comes the most powerful and symbolic moment, everyone. I request the torch bearer to kindly come forward. Our sports secretary, Mr. Gauhar, executive committee members, Mr. Vitesh, Mr. Mahendra, sir. I also invite our dignitaries to join us for the lighting the ceremonial torch. Let us stay behind the spirit of determination, unity and sportsmanship. Everyone, please.
हवा बहुत ज्यादा
हवा कम हुआ लेके सडन जल जाएगा उठकी है
कॉर्पोरेशन आटे देख ले धरी पड़ी पटकिना कॉर्पोरेट धरता ना
है बहुत तेज बहुत बाप रे
सर थोड़ा पीछे आएंगे। चारों पे सोनू जत्ती जत्ती मार दे मोर पाक रस मार दे। हाँ रेडी ओके ना। एक बार धीरे 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 फटने फटने अरे थोड़ा चलो चलो भागना केवल अरे भागना यार। अरे धीरे धीरे भागो अरे धीरे धीरे दौड़ 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 भारत माता की जय भारत जय भारत माता की।
हाँ अरे तो अब जा रहे हैं तो आ रहा हूँ
बाप रे ये क्या चल अरे भाई चेन मत तोड़ना यार। अरे ये फोटो अरे बालो धर्मवीर सर चला क्या उधर से तोड़ के इधर चेन टूटा।
थोड़ा पास में लाना है, थोड़ा पास में लाना है, ये बीच में करें। हाँ गौर ठीक है, ठीक है। जो धर्मवीर सर को चेयर दे दिया उसको बाद में देखेंगे हम, अभी नहीं। हराना ये हमेशा चेयर, ये म्यूजिकल चेयर में बच्चा अच्छा
तुझे बताऊं क्या गुजर रही है मुझ पर। इन तन्हा रातों में
श्वेता मैडम पिछली बार बाहर आ जाते तभी ग्राउंड में होता, इस बार सब लोग जल्दी जल्दी चलना है, कोई रोकेंगे नहीं, एक बार में 4 निकाल दो। सॉन्ग बजाओ, चलो 1
सब फ्लैट हो जाएगा।
वो चेयर साथ में लेके चल रहे हैं।
सब फ्लैट हो जाएगा, हम किस पीछे रहते।
क्या हुआ?
सारी
عندي خوش فصل يا اخي تفوز والله خوش رقصه يا اخي تفوز عندي خوش فصل يا اخي تفوز والله خوش رقصه عندي لك رقصه قويه يا الحبيب سمع صبوحه خطه
हम कुर्सी से पकड़ेगा उसका आउट कर देंगे, मुझे वैसे वो कुर्सी से पकड़ेगा,
خير خليك شديد حتى رقصه فريسه
कुर्सी पकड़ने के आउट कर देंगे।
حق الكتر اللي عارفه صيده سوي وقت سوي رقصه بياض جيب لي واحد كرك يلا بياض طق سياره بوليس يلا يلا سوي لي رقصه ثانيه رقصه البطريق ولا سر عارفه صيده سوي
जाते हैं किसी न किसी पे अरे हाँ आज इसके पीछे कल उसके पीछे क्या ठिकाना है इनका कि हो जाए कब लापता। हो इनकी मोहब्बत रेशम का जाल है दीवानगी भी इनकी
अरे भाई बड़ा राउंड कर देने से सब चलेंगे।
महसूस हुआ एक लाइफ की गाड़ी के मारा ब्रेक हो रहा है कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से mistake, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से mistake।
उधर ही बबलू बबलू डाकू देख रमेश भाई डाकू देख जा है सपोर्ट रे
ये अभी जो हो रही है सिलेक्टी है। भाई अभी तक तो एक से
ठीक स्लो इट डाउन संगी आया अख लड़ने लगी अख लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी एक संगी आया अख लड़ने लगी अख लड़ के आगे अच्छा के इशारे ये तो पढ़ने लगी ओ मुंडा सिद्ध तेरा ओ पीछे पड़ा
बबलू सुनिए रमेश जी
अगर वो खाली है तो वहाँ पे BMW बैग्स रखा है पीछे उसमें डालनी है जगह में रखा है खाने के बाद ये पानी पीने के बाद भी बॉटल्स भी उसी पे डालने के लिए कोशिश करो
बबलू बबलू उठे दिलो बबलू टे उठे दो हे फोटो नहीं
भाई एक गेम है, म्यूजिकल चेयर पर गेम चल रहा है, गेम जैसे देख लीजिए।
चलते रहो
ये म्यूजिकल चेयर खत्म होने के बाद टग ऑफ वॉर स्टार्ट हो जाएगा। प्लीज मेक इट फास्ट। म्यूजिक स्टार्ट करो, प्ले करो मैडम, कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं तुरंत, टाइम नहीं है।
आप लोग अंदर मुंह करके रखना।
चेयर नहीं छोड़ती।
अरे तुम लग रहे लो यार।
हाँ, वो हरा वाला पहले
पूरा वीडियो में
इसका नाम थर्ड प्लेस में थर्ड सुदीप्ता खिलाड़। हाँ ठीक है भाई, जयपुर गोल्ड मेडल जीत गया।
मैडम रुक जाइए, फोटो ले लेंगे एक तीनों का।
हाँ सेकंड है जान का पर फोटो लो।
हाँ हाँ
चलो चलो
ठीक है, और कौन सी? ये दोनों फाइनल।
सामने जन फोटो नून लगे और फालतू ना चली छोड़े
दिया सबको
सीधा रुने बबलू आगू का और आगू बबलू भाई 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 हो डाउन ब्लैक वाला ब्लैक थर्ड है ब्लैक थर्ड है भाई मेरे
धुलाई करके लाया रॉबिन मेल जो इंटरेस्टेड है जल्दी से लाइन अप हो जाइए
पता था जो भागेगा वो गिरेगा नरेश जी तो निकल गए मेरे को वो गए उनको जाने दो पहले आराम से
एक ही सिस्टम में गर्दन मत लो गर्दन एक दूसरे से दिया गिरा नहीं आप सेकंड देंगे भाई साहब
नेक्स्ट खिलाड़ी रेडी रहे यस यस 1 2 and 3 ये लड़का होगा कंप्लीट है धीरे धीरे करो जोर पता है हेलो मेरे दोस्त कैमरामैन भाई साइड में दो
हाँ भाई 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 थोड़ा प्लीज इधर से प्लीज
यस 1 धनराज जी थोड़ा लोकेशन ठीक करो आपका नींबू का
भाई मेरे थोड़ा थोड़ा खाली ये लाइन भाई
मैडम लास्ट में एक्सचेंज करें टीम प्लीज साइड समर्थक भी आ जाए इस साइड में अपने अपने टीम के समर्थक भी आ जाए इस टाइम में फीमेल्स में एक और टीम बना सकते हैं बॉयज अपनी टीम रेडी रखो ठीक है इसके बाद बॉयज आ जाएंगे और फीमेल को ब्रेक मिलेगा 5 मिनट
चलो क्या नहीं है
इधर भी डिसाइड होगा तो आप अपनी टीम रेडी रखो मेल कैंडिडेट भी अपना टीम रेडी रखो नेक्स्ट मैच मेल कैंडिडेट का होगा और फीमेल को थोड़ा रेस्ट मिल जाएगा ठीक है ठीक बोलने में खींचना है अभी रेडी रहो दोनों टीम रेडी रहो ठीक बोलने पे खींचना है 1 2 3 तो थर्ड मैच अभी जल्दी टीम क्रिएट करें, जल्दी से जल्दी करें। अरे इधर फिर भी कम है 3 पिच। रेफरी मैच जल्दी कराए, रेफरी।
आ जाइए भाई।
स्टार्ट, मैच स्टार्ट होने 2 3 ओके ओके ठीक है।
हाँ चलो।
रेडर टीम में कोई खिलाड़ी है लास्ट अनाउंसमेंट, रेडर टीम में कोई खिलाड़ी है आर अलाउड टू कम्पीट। अरे 3 होने तक खींचना है। आजा 1 2 3 पीछे आ जा, 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 पीछे आ जा। साइड चेंज कर लो, साइड चेंज कर लो, साइड चेंज कर लो। अरे साइड चेंज होगा, उस साइड आ जा। कलिंगा वॉरियर सेकंड मैच साइड चेंज होगा। पीछे 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 शाबाश कलिंगा वॉरियर्स, कम ऑन, यस कम ऑन। Eagles are winners of the tug of war. Team Eagles. रेडी नहीं तो जल्दी करो, फाइनल मैच भी करा दे, जल्दी कर लो।
बोलेंगे सेना
बोलेगी सेना रेडी, बोलेगी सेना रेडी,
टीम कलिंगा रेडी टीम कलिंगा
रामदेव जी काउंटर करो प्लीज, रामदेव जी काउंटर
अभिषेक
बोलेगी सेना
रेडी हो जा।
बोलेगी सेना 5 मिनट दिए जाते और गेम से
जल्दी करा कितना लाइट